Hey everybody. Okay, part two of making a dress. Now first I want to tell you when the pattern I am doing was actually not completely in the hoop apparently, which is why I put the satin stitch around the tops. This is where this part you're going to do on your sewing machine for the edging and stuff and flipping it and everything else. This is Smock Frock 2. There is one that's completely in the hoop where you do your facing and everything on it. Now, the only thing I'm going to do is I'm doing the sides where I'm going to put them together. You can watch somebody else do that who knows a lot more about it than me. So I'm not going to record that, and then I'm going to do the hem, rolling it up, and just putting the hem on the bottom. And again, you can go onto YouTube and find people do it that do a much better job than me on that stuff. So when I come back, what I'm going to show you, I will show you how it looks on the girls. I will have them both have it on, and you can see how it looks on them. Their ages are 2 and 7. The satin stitch is not on the pattern. I put that on there with the program I have, which is the Hatch program. Okay, this is the finished product. Halen is the taller one.
Hi.
Maddie is the little one. You can say hi? Do you like your dresses?
I love mine. I love mine.
Turn around, let's see the whole dress. It's really cute. Okay, turn back around. We got these finished. Halen is 7. Maddie is 2. And this is the end. Y'all have a great day. Bye.
Bye.